came in CBSE 23-24. Okay, so you can understand the importance of this question. It is again based on HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, right? This we have studied in chapter 1. So HCF into LCM will be the product of two numbers which are A and B. Now, but you see, if the HCF of 2520 and 6600, that means we know that our two numbers are 2520 and 6600, and HCF is given to be 40 into LCM of these two numbers is given 252 into K. So 252 into K. So what do we have to find? We'll have to find this K now. Let us find. So K will be equal to 2520 into 6600 upon 40 into 252. I hope you all can get the answer quickly. This one time, this 10 times, 0, 0 cancel, 2, 5, and this is 330. So this will be 0, 5, 16. So what is the answer? K equals to 1650. चलो बच्ची, let's do another question. Now this question came in 24-25. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कौन से ईयर में आया है. Again it came for 1 mark, right? Now question says if A is equal to P square Q cube R power n, B is equal to P cube Q power m and R square, where P, Q, R are prime numbers. And if LCM of A and B, that means the LCM इन दोनों का LCM जो है वो हमें given है PQ, Q power 4, R cube. तो हमें वैल्यू निकालना है 3n minus 2m. बेटा 3n minus 2m निकालने से पहले हमें n और m पता होना चाहिए. अब LCM में मैंने आपको बताया था कि L मतलब लीस्ट, लेकिन पावर कौन सी होती है? हाईएस्ट. सो पी स्क्वायर और पी क्यूब में हाईएस्ट पी क्यूब थी, क्यू क्यूब और क्यू एम में हाईएस्ट क्या है? 4. दैट मीन्स m का वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए? m शुड बी 4. और n और r स्क्वायर में हाईएस्ट वैल्यू क्या है? 3. दैट मीन्स n का वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए? 3. We got the values. Now let us put 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 4 is 8. What is the answer? B. That means option B is correct. Okay. For more